Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In this video, we are going to discuss about the area and perimeter of triangle. What is an area of triangle? We have formula for calculating the area. Now let us see that first. The area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base times height. Here I have written BH, which means this B is called the base of the triangle and H is called the height of the triangle. And you can see simply we have written BH, which means it is B times H. You just need to multiply this. In various places it is written in various forms, but it is having the same meaning. In some places you can see it is written as BH by 2, 1 by 2 times B times H. This all the same. It simply means that you need to multiply 1 by 2 times B times, that is base times height. Now we will see about this formula in detail with few examples. Consider the triangle having the base as 10, having the height as say 5 and having the side as 8. Now by applying the formula for the area 1 by 2 base times height, what is the base here? It is going to be equal to 10. So 1 by 2 times base, this is called the base, this is the height, this is the hypotenuse. So 1 by 2 times base is 10 and what is the height? This side is called the height. This is the B, this is the H. Okay, so B times H. So I am applying that formula. This is 5. So of course you can 2 times 5 is 10. So you are just cutting. So this goes 5 times. What is 5 times 5? This is equal to 25. So 25. If you say this as FT, feet, then it is going to be 25 feet square or square feet. You can call it square feet or feet square. It's the same. So again I will tell you, this is called the base, this is the height, that is what is required to find the formula or area of the triangle. So I am simply substituting the values 1 by 2 times, as I told you the base is 10 feet, so I am putting the 10 simply and height is given as 5. So I am simply putting the 5 and then you can cut 2 and 10, it goes 5 times. So 5 times 5 is going to be 25 feet square or square feet, you can call it as, for finding the area of the triangle. Now let us see how to find the perimeter of this triangle. How to find the perimeter? Perimeter P simply means you have to add all the sides. That is, if suppose this side is A, this side is B, this side is C, you simply need to add all the sides. That's all for the perimeter. So in this example, the perimeter is going to be equal to 8 plus 5 plus 10. That's it. You simply need to add this. Okay. So the perimeter is going to be the addition of all these sides. So when you add this, you are going to get 23 feet. Don't put the square here. The square should be written, square feet should be written only for the area. For perimeter, you simply need to put as feet, 23 feet. Now let us consider another example for finding the area and the perimeter. So now we are going to consider this triangle having an altitude in between, and we are going to write the measures correspondingly. Say this is 10, okay, so this is going to be equal to 10, say this is 5 and this is also say 15 or else 18, any measure. So this is the base. This is called the base. This is called the height. Okay, this is the altitude, this is the height. And this is called the base. That's all is required for finding the area right now. So again, to finding the area, I can write 1 by 2 times. What is the base here? It's going to be 18. For height, you should not take this tens because this altitude is called the height. So you have to use this as the height for this triangle. So you have to take the complete base length, that is 18, and you need to consider only this altitude for the height. Don't put these 10s here. So simply it's going to be 5. 2, it goes 9 times, so you're cutting this 18, you will get 9. 9 times 5 is going to be 45. In case if it is feet, you have to write it as square feet or feet square, ft square. That is how you have to find the area for this. So you remember, you should not take this 10, you need to take this height, that is the altitude, this height. 1 by 2 times the complete base measure you have to take, and this height measure you have to take for finding the area. Now what about the perimeter for this? You can see here, as I told you, the perimeter is simply adding or sum of all the sides. In that case, you should not consider this height. So for finding the perimeter, as I told you, it's going to be a plus b plus c. So this is A, this is B, this is C. This is H, height. You should not consider height for finding the perimeter of this type of triangles. For this type of triangles, you simply will add 10 plus this base, 18. That's it. You are not supposed to consider the height. You have to remember that. So you will get this as 38. So 38 feet, don't put square there. 38 feet is going to be the perimeter of this type of triangles. Okay, hope you have understood about the area and perimeter of triangles. We will see about the area and perimeter of equilateral triangle in the next video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.